You use machine learning every single day, but you don't even realize it. Do you know how? Think about this. The videos you watch, the products you see, the posts you scroll past feels normal, right? But what if I have told you that none of this is random? Every tap, every pause, and every swipe is being tracked and analyzed. Machine learning systems study your behavior, understand your preferences, and predict what you are most likely to do next. All this in real time. So while you think you are just using apps, there is something smarter working in the background, learning from you and adapting to you, and quietly shaping your digital world. Personalized recommendation. You see them everywhere, but rarely notice them. It's everywhere. Like the recommended for you on Netflix, suggest videos on YouTube, and products you may like on Amazon. That's not coincidence. This system analyzes your past behaviors like what you watch, what you click, and what you search, and even what you buy. Then they compare it with millions of other users to find the patterns. This is powered by machine learning techniques like collaborative filtering and content based filtering. In simple terms, it predicts what you like before you even search. For companies, this means higher engagement, more watch time, and increased in sales. For you, a more addictive, tailored experience. So, next time you see a perfect suggestion, remember it's not luck, it's machine learning working behind the scenes. As you can see on the screen, the diagram explains how the machine learning actually works. A continuous cycle running behind every app you use. First, data collection. Every click, search, scroll, and interaction is captured as a raw data. Next, storage. This data is stored in databases to be accessed and processed later. Then comes analysis. Machine learning model process this data, identify patterns, and understand user behavior. Based on the analysis, the system generates recommendation, what to show you, what to suggest, what you are likely to click next. And the cycle repeats. The more you interact, the more data is collected and the smarter the system becomes. It is like you are giving your data to teach your own personalized machine learning model and give you recommendations. They know you better than you think. Ever search something once and suddenly it's everywhere. Ads, videos, suggestions, all aligned. Apps track your behavior, what you like, what you skip, how long you stay on something. They build a digital profile of you. Machine learning models use this data to predict your interest, habits, even your next action. They are not guessing, they are calculating it. That's why your feed feels perfect. Why recommendation feel accurate? Because the system is constantly learning from you. So when you feel it, like apps are understanding you, it's because they do through data, through machine learning. Tracking your behavior every second you're online. What you watch, what you click, what you skip, none of it goes unnoticed. Every action you take is recorded as a data point. Every small signal, like how long you pause on a post matter. Machine learning processes this behavior to detect patterns and preferences. They don't just like see what you do, they understand how you do it. This is how platforms decide what to show you next, what to hide, and what will keep you engaging longer. So while you scroll casually, the behavior is being tracked, analyzed, and turned into decision in real time. This is how recommendation system actually works. It starts with you, the user. Your actions like searching, liking, and watching becomes input signals. You interact with different types of content like actors, songs, or movies. Each interaction adds more data to your profile. This data is then sent to a recommendation system, and then the machine learning model analyzes it patterns across your behavior and similar users. Based on this, the system generates recommendations for you. What movie to show you next, which song to play next, or what content you likely enjoy and to be shown. And when you interact again, that feedback goes back into the system, making further recommendation even more accurate and better. Your data becomes your profile. Every action you take online, searching, watching, clicking, is collected and stored. Over time, the data is organized into a detailed digital profile. Now, not just what you like, but how you behave. Machine learning model use this profile to understand your preferences, habits, and decision patterns. It's structured, analyzed, and continuously updated. This profile is what powers recommendations, ads, and personalized feed. Everything you see is influenced by this data model. So your activity is not just temporary, it's being converted into a system and defines your digital identity. People like you shapes what you see. Ever noticed how you get recommendations that feel exactly your type? That's not just your data alone. Machine learning compares your behavior with other users who act like you. If they like something, there is a high chance you will too. This is called collaborative filtering, grouping users based on similar patterns and recommending content accordingly. It also looks at similar content, same region, same style, same behavior signals to refine suggestion even. So now this is the brain behind every recommendation you see. It starts with your data, your rating, behavior, search queries, and even specific preferences. Along with your data, the system also uses databases containing preferences of millions of other users. Then these multiple techniques are applied like analysis of the rating, behavior tracking, collaborative filtering, and direct queries. Each method looks at your data from different angles. These methods are combined to generate the most accurate prediction possible. Now, not only one approach, but a hybrid system works on your data. Finally, the system recommends content that best matches your profile and intent. Smart ranking decides what you see first. Out of thousands of the options, the system ranks content based on what you mostly like to click. Machine learning models assign scores to every piece of content based on your past behavior, preferences, and engagement patterns. The highest scoring items are pushed to the top of your feed. Lower ones, you may never see them. And every time you interact, the system updates their rankings, learning and improving in real time. So what you see isn't random. It's carefully ranked, predicted, and optimized just for you. This is how platform decides what finally reaches your screen. They start with millions of possible options, videos, posts, products, far more than you can ever see. First comes recall. The system pulls a large set of relevant candidates based on your profile. Then pre-ranking filters it down to 1,000, removing lesser relevant content quickly. Next, ranking models score each item based on your likelihood to click or engage, reducing it to hundreds. Then re-ranking refines the further, optimizing for quality, diversity, and relevance, down to just tens of times. Finally, only the top ranked content is displayed to you. So, what you see is just a tip of the iceberg, filtered through multiple layers of machine learning. This is the multi-stage ranking pipeline behind every recommendation system. It starts with candidate generation. Millions of possible items are selected based on their basic relevance. Then comes the light ranker, a fast filtering layer that quickly narrows it down to the most promising options. Next is the rich ranker, a deeper model that uses more features, more context, and more computation to score content more accurately. After that, a re-ranker fine-tunes the list, balance relevances and diversity, and overall user experience. And finally, only the top-ranked content is shown to you. So what looks simple on your screen is actually powered by multiple layers of intelligent decision making. So this is how a recommendation works, and we saw how many types of different systems work together to build a personalized recommender system for you. Every decision you take, every click, every search, and every interaction you do on the web or an application is being recorded to build a personalized AI model recommender for you. In the next video, we will see how AI is used everywhere in our daily life, you without even knowing it, using computer vision. If you learned something new today, please give a like to this video. Subscribe to my channel so you can get free education whenever I upload a new video. Also comment below RS for recommendation system if you learned it well and understood everything. Thank you for watching this video.